Worried about buying a home? A house is probably the largest single purchase that most people will ever make. Shopping for a home is a stressful experience even in normal times. Make sure that the house you are buying does not come with any regrettable surprises. Get a home inspection. When you are looking for a home inspection company, you are looking for an inspector with top qualities: honesty, integrity, knowledge, attention to detail, timely finished reports. We bring all that and so much more to our home inspections. Check out what your inspection with us will include: roofing, electrical, plumbing, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, structure and foundation, and so much more. Make sure that the house you are buying does not come with any surprises. For the best home inspection, CLARO Home Inspections. Call or text and schedule today at 626-253-0436. In the greater Los Angeles, San Bernardino, and Orange counties. Or visit www.clarohomeinspections.com.